Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I only have a short flight planned, but I wanted to share it with you guys, as well as take the opportunity to tell you guys about some of the exciting things that I have planned for this spring and summer. So come along. Alright guys, it's an awesome day for a flight out there. I just landed here at Lancaster Airport in Pennsylvania, and here for the biannual flight review, and then we're going to head over to Lancaster Avionics for a transponder check for the Cap 10 here. So that was a little bit of a failure. I was hoping to tell you guys about some things coming up during the flight back, but that started off wrong when I forgot the audio cable to the headsets, and then I also lost the footage of the flight back altogether. So we're gonna write this one off as a lesson learned for future flights and go from there. But I still do want to tell you about some things coming up. One thing we're really excited about is that with Appalachian Aviators, we are hoping to start a monthly wing night or wing flight where we would meet at a central location, maybe here at Keller Brothers Airport or somewhere local, and all get in our airplanes and fly together to a different airport restaurant, go get some good food, and make some good memories in our airplanes. So if you want to join along with that, make sure to check out facebook.com/Appalachian Aviators. We will be posting updates and the dates and locations on there. So if you want to join, make sure to go like our page and stay tuned. The second thing I'm excited about is that I recently joined the International Aerobatics Club, and I hope to attend some practice days with our local chapter, and also I'm hoping to attend a competition or two and fly the primary sequence in the Cap 10 here this spring and summer. So I will be vlogging all of my flights and any events that I get to for that. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and follow along, and I will see you on the next one.